lords of the ocean white sharks in Australian waters. Australia's vast coastline is home to a diverse array of marine life teeming with vibrant ecosystems that support countless species. Among them, the white shark, Carcharodon carcharias, reigns supreme as an apex predator, commanding respect and awe. These magnificent creatures, often exceeding 6 meters in length, are found in waters across the country, from the Great Barrier Reef to the Southern Ocean. They inhabit a range of environments, from cool temperate regions to tropical seas, showcasing their incredible adaptability. White sharks are a vital part of the marine ecosystem, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine life. They help to maintain a healthy balance in the food chain by preying on weaker and sick animals, thus ensuring the survival of the fittest. White sharks are highly mobile creatures, capable of traveling great distances in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. They are known to undertake extensive migrations across vast distances, sometimes crossing entire ocean basins. Their movements are influenced by a variety of factors, including changes in water temperature, prey availability, and breeding cycles. These include water temperature, prey availability, and breeding cycles, which dictate their seasonal movements and behaviors. Understanding these migratory patterns is crucial for their conservation, as it helps scientists develop effective protection strategies. The waters surrounding Australia offer a rich tapestry of habitats for white sharks, from vibrant coral reefs to deep ocean trenches. These range from shallow coastal waters to the depths of the continental shelf, providing diverse environments for hunting and breeding. Rocky reefs, kelp forests, and sandy shorelines all provide suitable hunting grounds rich with potential prey. They are attracted to areas where seals, sea lions, and other marine mammals congregate, making these spots prime hunting locations. The presence of white sharks is a testament to the health of Australia's marine environment, indicating a thriving ecosystem. However, these apex predators face a number of threats which jeopardize their survival and the balance of the marine ecosystem. These include fishing pressure, habitat degradation, and climate change, all of which have significant impacts on their populations. It is essential that we understand these threats and take steps to mitigate them, ensuring the continued presence of these majestic creatures in our oceans. Unlocking the secret: DNA and tagging studies. Scientists employ a range of advanced techniques to study white sharks and their movements across vast oceanic expanses. Two of the most important tools in their arsenal are DNA sampling and tagging. These methods provide invaluable insights into the biology, ecology, and conservation status of these majestic animals. DNA analysis is a powerful tool that helps us to understand the genetic diversity and population structure of white sharks. Researchers collect tissue samples from sharks using biopsies, which are small, harmless samples taken from the fin or body. These samples are then meticulously processed in the lab to extract DNA. The extracted DNA is analyzed using sophisticated sequencing machines, revealing the genetic blueprint of these creatures. Tagging, on the other hand, allows scientists to track the movements of individual sharks over extended periods. There are various types of tags used for this purpose, each serving a unique function. Acoustic tags emit sound signals that can be detected by receivers strategically placed underwater. Satellite tags, on the other hand, transmit data to satellites orbiting the Earth, providing a broader picture of shark movements. The data collected from these tagged sharks provides detailed information on their migratory routes, diving behavior, and habitat use. This information is essential for identifying critical habitats and informing effective conservation strategies. By understanding where sharks go and how they use their environment, we can develop better strategies to protect them. Both DNA sampling and tagging are invaluable tools for white shark research, each providing unique insights. They provide complementary information that helps us to understand and conserve these magnificent creatures more effectively. These methods are crucial for informing management decisions and ensuring the long-term survival of white sharks, contributing to the broader goal of marine conservation. Nomads of the sea migration and temporary havens. White sharks are not confined to a single location. They are highly migratory animals, often traveling thousands of kilometers across vast stretches of ocean. Their movements are driven by a complex interplay of factors. These include the search for food, suitable water temperatures, and breeding opportunities. Tracking studies have revealed that white sharks follow predictable migration patterns. They often congregate at specific locations for several weeks or months. These temporary residencies coincide with the abundance of prey, such as seals and sea lions. One such location is the Neptune Islands in South Australia. This area is renowned for its large population of Australian sea lions. White sharks are frequently observed here, particularly during the breeding season of the sea lions. Another important aggregation site is Shark Bay in Western Australia. This area supports a large population of dugongs, which are marine mammals that are a favoured prey item for white sharks. These temporary havens provide white sharks with rich feeding grounds and opportunities for social interaction. Understanding the factors that drive these aggregations is crucial for managing human-shark interactions and ensuring the conservation of these animals. Despite their apex predator status, white sharks are facing a number of threats that have led to their classification as a vulnerable species. These majestic creatures, often misunderstood, are now at risk due to various factors. These threats stem from both natural and human-induced factors, creating a complex web of challenges for their survival. Fishing pressure is a significant threat to white sharks. The demand for seafood has led to increased fishing activities, which inadvertently affect shark populations. They are often caught accidentally as bycatch in fisheries targeting other species. This unintended capture can have devastating effects on their numbers. Gill nets, long lines, and other fishing gear can entangle and kill sharks. These tools, while effective for fishing, pose a lethal threat to marine life. Habitat degradation is another major concern. The destruction of coastal areas directly impacts the ecosystems that white sharks rely on. Coastal development, pollution, and climate change are all impacting the health of marine ecosystems. These factors contribute to the decline in water quality and habitat loss. These changes can reduce the availability of prey for white sharks and disrupt their migratory patterns. A stable food source is crucial for their survival. Climate change is also posing a threat to white sharks. The warming of the oceans and increased acidification are altering the marine environment. Rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification can alter the distribution and abundance of their prey. This shift can lead to food scarcity for white sharks. This can lead to shifts in shark distribution and potentially increase their vulnerability. As they move to new areas, they may face unfamiliar threats. Furthermore, white sharks have a slow reproductive rate. This biological trait makes it difficult for their populations to recover quickly. Females give birth to only a few pups every few years. This low reproductive rate means that any loss in population takes a long time to replenish. This low reproductive output makes them particularly vulnerable to population declines. The combination of these threats puts immense pressure on their survival. Addressing these threats is crucial for the conservation of white sharks. Conservation efforts must be intensified to ensure their survival. It requires a multifaceted approach that includes reducing fishing pressure, protecting critical habitats, and mitigating the impacts of climate change. Only through coordinated global efforts can we hope to preserve these incredible creatures for future generations. Genetic studies have revealed that there are two distinct populations of white sharks in Australian waters. These populations are genetically distinct from each other and from other white shark populations around the world. The eastern Australian population is found along the east coast of Australia, from southern Queensland to Tasmania. This population is characterised by its larger body size and its preference for cooler, temperate waters. The Western Australian population, on the other hand, is found along the west coast of Australia, from Shark Bay to Ningaloo Reef. This population is smaller in size and prefers warmer, tropical waters. The genetic differences between these populations suggest that they have been isolated from each other for a significant period of time. This isolation has allowed them to evolve distinct genetic characteristics. The existence of two distinct populations highlights the importance of considering regional differences in conservation and management strategies. Each population faces its own unique set of threats and requires tailored conservation efforts. Nursery areas are critical habitats for the survival of many marine species, including white sharks. These areas provide a safe haven for juvenile sharks to grow and develop before they venture out into the open ocean. Nursery areas are typically characterized by their shallow, protected waters, abundant prey, and low predator density. These conditions provide young sharks with the best chance of survival during their vulnerable early life stages. One well-known white shark nursery area in Australia is located in the eastern Bass Strait between mainland Australia and Tasmania. This area supports a large number of juvenile white sharks. They remain there for several years before dispersing to other regions. Nursery areas play a vital role in maintaining healthy shark populations. They provide a safe haven for young sharks to grow and develop, ensuring the long-term survival of the species. Protecting nursery areas from threats such as fishing, pollution, and habitat degradation is essential for the conservation of white sharks. By safeguarding these critical habitats, we can help to ensure the future of these magnificent creatures.